Heaven couldn't wait for you, so go on, go home. We laughed at the darkness, so scared that we lost it. We stood on the ceilings. You showed me love was all you needed. Heaven could.
Good evening, everyone. I am Naledi Nisi of Naledi Nisi Media Production, and today we are live at Congo Lengotani 8 for a candle lighting that Monako, who was shot and killed last week. Stay tuned for more.
Asikubingelele sikwamukele Naledi Nisi Media Production. Ngicela usitshele igama Sibongo. Iposition nokuthi usithathe usibheke ukuthi kungani silana sona namhlanje njengoba sibona ukuthi kugcwele amalungu omphakathi sibonile nokuthi kunane candle lighting kulothola namhlanje.
Ngiyanibingelela igama lami nguNosipho Mwanzi manje. Into eyenza ukuthi sibe lana sibe ne candle lighting omunye wethu udwethu kube ne incident on Sunday where he was shot and he passed away. So we're just having candle lighting for him namhlanje.
Kwenzakaleni igameko mhlawumbe kwenzakaleni mawasubheke.
Angikwazi ukusho manje ngalokho because ilo into yakhona ikwezinye indawo so angeke ngikwazi ukhomenta ngalokho. Yeah.
Okay, mhlambe to all the people watching right now, ikupho ngandlulisa kubona mayelana naso lesimo.
Angazi singathini. Mhlawumbe khona umunye ola ongaba nento angafisa ukisho.
You are free to talk. Anyone?
So basically siyabonga kakhulu support esiyitholile emphakathini, right? Siyawubonga umphakathi ngokuthi ube khona la. However, njengoba usho siyajabula ukuthi yasibuza ukuthi kwenzakaleni. You understand? Nathi sifana nawe besingazi. However, as we went on kwatholakala izinto ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Ngoba esho kunezinto esicela ukuphawula kuzo nezinto esiphawula kuzo. And esizokutshela nasemphakathini because if you guys remember, this is a very sensitive issue. If umuntu ezosikhalela sicela angasikhaleli ngokusihleka akhulume into engekho and come to narrate a story ayengekho kuso. You understand? And even namaphoyisa asokhongolo we understand ukuthi kunezinto azenzayo ubonayo ukuthi lana kunokwenzelela. You understand? And so basically now amaphoyisa asokhongolo siyacela ukuthi ayeke indaba yecase ihandlishwe i-IPD as kukwenzeka and bengalokhu bengenelela entweni ekungamele ngabe kuyenzeka because even on the day of the crime lapho kwakunezinto ubona ukuthi kushuthi lo mphakathi lamaphoyisa lawa athi protected basically they not with us, they are against us. You understand? And nathi siyawahlonipha nje banibonile kuyi-peaceful march le angithi yabona over candle lighting service and then kusasa nakhona siyawucela umphakathi if bengasinikeza support siyaya enkantolo because siphikisana nalento ye-bail. You understand? Because as much as yonke into eyenzeka la asazi we need justice for uPhethelo. Yabo siyadinga leyo justice for uPhethelo and sidinga ukuthi i-support ibe khona, asidingi kube khona udlame or kube khona izinto enjani but just to show i-support to your family and then hold back from ama-comment angekho necessary.
Njengoba nithi kuzoba ne-peaceful march.
It's not a march, it's not a march, it's ilo support esiyokhombisa umndeni basically ukuthi we're saying no against the bail yalo bhuti lona because he shot a 22-year-old sis umuntu ofundayo. He robbed us of the future kaphethe and he robbed him himself. So nabazali bakhe barobhekile kulento le. So we would really appreciate the support, just people to stand with us, and not comment unnecessary things.
Okay, to everyone who wants to support you guys,
Isikhathi we can confirm that I think number 8. Yeah. Ngo-8 singahlangana and then sonke siye enkantolo and it's a peaceful walk basically sonke sibe laphayana. You understand? And njengoba kwenzekile namhlanje siyakudlulisa lokho ayibopha amaphoyisa asokhongolo ayezwa and into engiyishoyo kuwo ayabona ukuthi sabantu abane-peace, yabo. So i-information eqhamuka sekuthiwa balungiselela ukuthi kungaba nodlame, iyasi-offenda lento leyo, isitshela ukuthi we at war with amaphoyisa, into esingayazi. Siyabonga.
Okay, so kakhulu esikhathini bekuyinto osikhuluma nani.
Sabonga, sabonga.
Asinibingelele sinamukele kunaledi Media Production. Ngizoqala ngoyezizwa kanjani ukuthi si-candle lighting yomngani wenu njengoba silana soni namhlanje.
Ngithanda ukubingelela nami, igama lami nguNelani Tshele. I won't lie, kubuhlungu kunzima, but we have to soldier on. I'm really happy ukuthi people came out. Sana ama-journalists, it proves ukuthi abantu are actually taking this matter seriously, more seriously than we thought. We're just happy ukuthi umngani wethu sikwazile ukumnika i-send off before the funeral. Okunye nokunye sekuzolandela.
Okay, mhlawumbe ungasithatha isibeko as to how ukuthi umngani wenu ube umuntu kanjani mhlawumbe yeah.
Yabo wonke umuntu la ungambuza lo mbuzo uthola nje answer, akekho umuntu ebelunge kanje ya. Akekho umfana owayelunge kanje umfana wami lapho. Yes, sonke sinama wrong doings ethu, but then I'm speaking about impurity yenhliziyo yakhe. Wayelunge kakhulu umuntu wayesithanda sonke futhi abangani bakhe. Ingakho ubona kunabantu abangaka, because they know from him to his family bonke nje they are so genuine.
Okay, asikubingelele siwamukele cela usitshela igama isibongo and tell us ukuthi why weekend njengoba sibona ukuthi amalungu omphakathi athe chithisaka kule candle lighting.
Igama lami uSiphephelo wakwaDlamini. Namuhla sihlanganelana ngizocommemorate impilo yomngani wethu. Osilahlekele last week to an unfortunate tragedy yenzakalile wadutshulwa. So today we came together ngizomkhanyisela indlela ekuhambeni kwakhe before i-funeral.
Mhlawumbe nje nawe uchaza nje umngani wakho ukuthi lo umuntu kanjani, what would you say?
Maningi amagama ongawathola ngayo njengoba ubone turn out in itself speaks to what kind of person he was to all of us. Kodwa ube umuntu onomoya ophansi but engasukeli bantu, kind soul, great soul, okwazi accommodate abantu ngokuhluka kwabo nobuningi babo.
Mhlawumbe lakho lokugcina sesivala, what would you say your last word?
Ngiyathemba uhamba ngokuthula, yokuphela into ehlezi enhliziyweni yami lethu ukuthi hambe ngokuthula nangokujabula. Because we'll be here backing him, simphilela uzophila nakuma-memories wethu akakhohliwe sisamthanda.
Your last words towards umngani wakho sesivala.
I would like to say to my boy, fly high boy, that's the reason that the sky exists.
Thank you for your time.